Check the video description and first comment for links to upcoming workshops and courses. If you haven't seen results with the Yuen Method yet, listen to this strengthening exercise. The Yuen Method is an energy medicine technique that offers immediate results. You can see results in how you interpret, think, and feel about a specific problem, or in the reduction or disappearance of physical pain or even non-physical pain. Some people experience energy shifts like nausea, dizziness, burping, sweating, or heat. This means energy is moving within your body or internal dynamics and is being released. It's helpful to strengthen the exit portals here. I'm Rocio Santibanez, Yuen Method instructor, and I welcome you to this strengthening session. If you find this helpful, please support me by sharing, liking, commenting, or rating 5 stars on your listening platform. Let's begin. We'll erase negative self-perceptions and misinterpretations to help you improve, evolve, achieve, and feel renewed. We'll also clear others' misconceptions about you for the same purpose. Will completely erase internal and external negativity to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, indefinitely. Now let's also erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation you have about what change should be, what improvement looks like, and how you should feel, or what should manifest for you to feel satisfied. We'll erase this from within and without to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, indefinitely. Let's remove all the energy of unfulfilled potential within you, everything that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks your progress, that prevents you from achieving, having, or changing, that stops you from reaching your goals or making progress, that keeps you from making positive changes. We'll erase this completely to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time. We clear memories of ancestors and descendants who never changed or improved. Lives of hardship, suffering, physical pain, and constant poverty. We erase all of that, lives without positive changes or growth. We remove it fully from you and them, leaving no trace for all time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. We'll erase your mind, every atom, cell, molecule, particle, quantum, tissue, organ, system, and structure. We'll remove the mind's resistance to leaving your body and your resistance to letting it go. We'll eliminate the cumulative effect of this mind on your body and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We'll remove the mind's resistance to improve, change, accept, recognize, and admit. We erase to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll become strong and neutral, to have results and to have no results, for them to come quickly and not quickly, slowly and not slowly, for you to perceive them and not perceive them, feel them and not feel them. Strong at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's connect non-physical emotions, sensations, and reactions to your physical body and vice versa. We'll enhance the connection from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, from inside out, inward, forward, and backward to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We'll eliminate misconceptions and misinterpretations about being flexible or rigid, believing or doubting, changing or staying the same, yielding or standing firm, accepting or rejecting, admitting or denying, recognizing or ignoring. We eliminate all misinformation and misperceptions from within and without to zero minus infinity 100% of the time infinitely. We separate these components into all possible forms and combinations. We balance them so they're all centered, equilibrated, and stable. We remove all traces, remnants, and impressions of these energies from you, including fear of it and resistance to it, to zero minus infinity 100% of the time infinitely. We'll eliminate the buildup of unconscious reactions felt through false coping mechanisms, like lying, denying, forgetting, numbing, and evading reality, growth, help, and what you receive. We erase all this along with the negative experiences supporting them, including illnesses, limitations, traumas, fears, phobias, karmas, and curses. Let's erase all that connects you to these false tools, consciously or not, willingly or unwillingly, to zero minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. We'll remove fear and its cumulative effect from this life and others, yours and not yours. Let's eliminate preconceived ideas that stagnate, limit, or block you, conscious and unconscious. We'll remove resistance to change, improvement, differences, and flexibility. Let's eliminate weakness by improving from negative experiences, yours and others. We remove contrary perceptions in your body, nervous system, feelings, and intuition. We're removing collective, ancestral, family, and astrological influences, both conscious and unconscious, that hinder your growth and evolution. We're eliminating interference from other times and spaces, totally and permanently. Do less infinite, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. Let's separate the weaknesses of feeling and not feeling bodily sensations. We'll balance strong and neutral so you both feel and don't feel them. We'll strengthen and boost your cells, atoms, molecules, and quantum particles' strength, endurance, and agility. We're going to enhance your ability to feel, perceive, and intuit. We'll remove confusion, distortion, and instability from your body, mind, and spirit in this life and others. Let's eliminate negative emotions, sensations, and reactions. We'll separate them and erase the weaknesses between and within each. Make it less infinite 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll balance emotions, sensations, and reactions to be centered and stable. Let's eliminate repetitive, mechanical, and reactive thoughts, both conscious and unconscious. We'll remove daily routines and their cumulative effects. Let's eliminate disbelief in improvement, both yours and others. That means improving yourself and others, believing in your ability to do so. We'll remove misconceptions about improving without effort, fatigue, or difficulty. We'll erase these beliefs from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, and family. Make it less infinite, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's clear unresolved issues from this life and others that hinder our ability to feel, perceive, and intuit. We'll remove memories of sensing bad news, being punished for intuition, or foreseeing painful deaths and misfortunes, both personal and not. We're erasing these memories from our ancestors and descendants. Let's reduce the infinite 100% of the time with endless time. We're removing pain, suffering, and fear that block or limit our ability to feel, perceive, and intuit. We're clearing negative experiences tied to growth, awareness, learning, change, and acceptance. This includes negative experiences like illnesses, limitations, and traumas. fears, phobias, and punishments. We remove misinformation and misperceptions about vulnerability, yours and others. We eliminate the rational mind and its cumulative effect. We remove the need to rationalize, deduce, and assume. We erase this to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. We eliminate the effect of past failures or bad experiences with other techniques. We erase the impact of seeking or receiving unhelpful assistance. We delete it to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit strongly for concentration or focus, visualization or imagery, strongly for openness, strongly for receptivity, strongly for creative inspiration, strongly for a contemplative mind, strong integrative mind, connecting inside to outside and outside to inside, strong central nervous system for facilitator function, erasing resistance to evolve, strong in protecting from evolution. We strengthen all this 100% infinite all the time, erasing all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time. Let's erase weaknesses from tests, information, questions, exams, and observation. We'll also erase weakness from receiving or asking for help. We'll erase memories of mental, physical, religious, family, and economic slavery. We delete this to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time. We also erase memories of physical, mental, emotional, economic, verbal, and psychological abuse. We're erasing everything from childhood to now that blocks you from receiving help and improvements. To 0 minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. Will make you strong and neutral about receiving or giving help. Will remove resistance to letting go, erasing, freeing, forgiving, protecting, and forgetting unconditionally. We erase this resistance to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll clear stress, anxiety, and tension from your body, mind, spirit, and surroundings. The stress from your body, your mind, and the people you interact with daily. We'll also remove toxins and poisons, sending them to the lymphatic system. We strengthen the lymphatic system, its channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and nodes. I empower you to see, believe, create, expect, imagine, and realize your improvements. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's strengthen the octagon, erase, release, liberate, free, forgive, protect, and forget expectations, results, needs, and despair. We erase to 0 minus infinity 100% of finite time and strengthen this octagon to 100% with infinite potential. We boost your nervous system, midline, and cells to feel capable, willing, worthy, prepared, deserving, committed, and neutral. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I connect you with macrocosmic energy back and forth, with universal energy back and forth, with cosmic and microcosmic energy back and forth, with creative energy, with universal and creative intelligence energies, with the Creator's energy, all back and forth. I integrate you into the quantum field and it into you. We do this top down, bottom up, left, right, right, left, inside out. inward, back, forward, forward, back at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen your positive and negative electromagnetic and subnucleic energy. We also strengthen nucleic energy, all centered, balanced, and stable at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate resistance to leaving your comfort zone. We eliminate resistance to taking on responsibilities. We eliminate resistance to starting, continuing, and finishing. We eliminate memories supporting this resistance and erase the exaggeration, magnification, and intensification of your tasks, purpose, and unresolved issues of your physical and non-physical problems of your health. We erase this and separate emotions, sensations, and reactions to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll strengthen the internal and external dynamics, internal and external limits and vertices of all the geometries we worked on today at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, and we erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong totally, permanently, absolutely, perfectly, and completely for all possible, inevitable, and invincible. I strengthen your exit points, bladder, sacrum, colon, tailbone, palms, soles of feet and hands, as well as chin and armpits, tensing and relaxing to drain all this energy to 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong for same, not same, different, not different, change, no change, perception, no perception. Strong to feel, perceive, and sense physical and non-physical improvement. Strong again, internal, external dynamics, inner, outer limits and vertices of all these geometries, and the reinforcement to 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase all weaknesses with traces, vestiges, imprints, remnants, and impressions to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust body, mind, and spirit. All right, how do you feel? Same or different?